today is somebody's birthday at work, so I went out. Oof. My face looks a little bit, but this is me. I woke up like this. Yeah, I woke up like this. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Claudia. Happy birthday to you.
I know you want. I know you want to. I know it's all about
Birthday girl.
So let's have cake.
Let's have cake. And speech.
What?
Speech.
Speech? What? No.
Come on, speech, man.
Come on.
Thank you guys. I appreciate that very much. You know I love you. Let's have cake and let's.
In the morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you're all doing okay. It's a lovely morning. I can look through the window. The sun is out, which is so amazing, so fantastic. So I'm making another smoothie today for my work. I have my bottle here. I'm gonna make another smoothie. I'm going outside. It's a lovely day. Lovely, lovely day. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're enjoying the lovely weather, and the weekend is already here. So let's not say, you know, I hope you're having a great weekend. It's Saturday and I'm getting ready for bed. And I'm just gonna do a little face to get myself ready for bed. So I hope whatever you're doing today and whatever you did today, I hope it was productive. I hope you catch up with your friends. I hope you did your shopping. I hope you paid the bills. I hope you do you. I hope you had a good day. You know, all of that good stuff. God is forever, you know, so make sure that we never forget that God loves us. But saying that to say this, it's after 9. I have to get up 5 a.m. in the morning. Why am I looking here? Because the mirror is here. So I'm going to look here. So let me get my face washed. It's very dry, as you can see. So I normally use Nivea to wash my face. Night cream. That's it. I'm done. That I use today. So I use my wash. Then I cleanse my face with my Garnier. And then I use my toner to tone my skin. And then I use my night cream. That's all I do at night. Just tone my face up and yeah. And I'm gonna put a bit of Vaseline on my lip and over my eyelids. That's it, done. So whatever you do, I hope you have a great night, and I hope you be responsible. If you're going out on the town tonight to have some fun, enjoy, okay? But be responsible, okay? And be safe on these streets, because these streets ain't our friends, okay? So please be safe. If you're out tonight on a Saturday night, you're out having a good time, look after yourself and look after each other, okay? And make sure that you have a splendid night. I love you, and I'm gonna go to bed because girl have work in the morning. But let me show you my painting that it's not a painting. I got this picture painting thingy from Shein, and I thought I needed 2 frames, so I went out to get the frames and a few bits. Let's stay tuned. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So here they are. Now I do love orange.